All right, this is the 2017 Subaru Impreza. I am going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights. But before we get started, go ahead and tap the like button right there. Give me a thumbs up. Thanks a lot so much. Appreciate it. All right, so I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights. So what you're going to do is I'm sitting in the driver's side part of the vehicle. I'm going to look towards the middle console area, okay? And so do you see this button right here? This nice, shiny triangle right here, this button right here. This is what turns on your hazard lights or your hazard flashers. I'm going to go ahead and press it. And when I press it, you hear a clicking noise and you look at the instrument panel and you see the left and right hand turn signals begin to light up. That is an indication that your hazard lights or your hazard blinkers are on, okay? They are blinking, all right? Now, if they are blinking. So in order to turn them off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back down towards the center and I'm going to press this big shiny red button again, and the clicking stops. And as you can see, the clicking has stopped and the hazard lights are off. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to give me a like. Thank you.